Happy Memorial Day 2023. It's a beautiful afternoon, so I thought I'd take a little video. Got my new Adirondack chairs, and we're loving just enjoying the garden in them. And we're just continuing to expand and grow the garden. So here's a nice view from the chairs. So much to see. The lavenders are starting to pop here in the next couple days. We've got a strawberry patch with lots of beautiful strawberries. Starting to get pink. Lots of beautiful strawberries hiding in there. And we've got salvia and stonecrop, lavender, kinds of beautiful things. More lavender. They're starting to blossom. And we have our squash patch here. So we have a black beauty squash. The two middle areas are gold rush squash, and then the winter squash are on this side. We have delicata, butternut, spaghetti squash, and two Cinderella pumpkins. We've got rhubarb down there, another rhubarb here. I still need to repaint my little ladybug. She's all black right now. And I expanded this area today, cleaned it up. Looks great. Planted my sunflower, which looks so happy, and my sugar peas are beautiful and delicious. We've been munching on those. Got some marigolds. Planted another sunflower, and behind that will be nasturtium. We'll trail up that fence, and then this fence is happily growing some pole beans. And then my cucumbers, when we get back, when a little warmer, I'll plant my cucumbers. And we're having a bumper crop of blueberries this year. And this whole area has been cleared. Head over to the row cloth. So this is where I plant my kale and broccoli and 5 different types of lettuce. And then we have the grandma of all lavender plants, lemon balm. And then we have golden beets and Detroit red beets, rosemary, dill, nasturtium, which will climb up this little gate here. And this box will have the 14 tomato plants and basil and marigold. Once the weather stabilizes a little bit. And there's another view of the garden. But I gotta show my herb garden here. So we have parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. And we have mojito mint. Delicious. I planted violas all over the place. They're so happy. They have such happy little faces. Lavender's doing great. Oh, there's a bee. Golden oregano, thyme, sage, rosemary, chamomile, which smells so lovely. More thyme. Lupinus. There's lupinus in full bloom. And we have peonies. I got 4 little peonies that are ready to pop. And 3 hydrangea plants there. And stevia. So, haven't done a video for a while, so wanted to do an overview. Happy Memorial Day.